Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the Window Expert. Thanks for watching this video. Hey, we get people all the time that ask questions in the comments below. And so I got to thinking, why don't we just make a video where in the comments right below this video, you could just come in and ask questions, like just come in and say, hey Jeff, what do you know about the Pella 250 series? Hey Jeff, my installer said that he doesn't use this kind of caulking, but he likes that kind of caulking. Any question you can think of, anything that has to do with a window or door project, put the questions down below. And you know what I want to do? I want to harvest these from time to time, and I'll create a video. I might use your question. So make it a good one, okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, if you're looking for a great window company near you, check out thewindowexperts.com. If I can't help you, I'll point you in the right direction. Have a good day. I'll be looking for the comments.